So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix verification failed on Apple ID, iPhone, iPad, iPod touch. Lot of iPhone user facing this kind of error on their iPhone. If you're also facing this kind of issue, keep watching full video. In this video I will show you how you can fix that issue. So let's start video without wasting any time, and firstly we can see appears on screen. Open Apple ID, tap on Setting, tap on Apple ID, scroll down, tap on Sign Out, and wait for a few seconds. It's asking for password. You can see appears on screen. When try to enter any password, it's showing error verification failed. Your Apple ID or password is incorrect. Okay, tap on OK. Now you need to tap on forget passcode and wait for a few seconds. It will appear something you can see appears on screen. Enter iPhone passcode. This passcode you use to unlock this iPhone can also be used to reset your Apple ID password. Okay, enter your phone passcode and wait for a few seconds. Okay, you can see appears on screen. Here are showing enter new password. Just need to enter the new password. Okay, type again for verification. Tap on continued, and you can see appears on screen your password has been changed. From now on, please use your new password when signing in into your account. Tap on OK, and now you need to wait for a few seconds to fix that Apple ID verification issue. You can see appears on screen. It's showing sign out. If you want to sign out, it will not showing that error again. Tap on sign out and removing iCloud data. As you can see showing here, wait for a few seconds again to complete that procedure, and you can see appears on screen removing iCloud data. Okay, it will take some second to complete their procedure, and after that you can easily fix that your Apple ID is showing verification failed error. You can see appears on screen sign out successfully without showing Apple ID verification failed error. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to sign out Apple ID, how to fix Apple ID verification issue on iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.